Tutorial drawing anime eyes with markers.
Starting from today, we continue to update the drawing method of anime eyes with marker pen. First, use the pink automatic pen. Draw a rough outline, then use red and gray to draw the shadow of the eyelids. Then use flesh color to draw the transition of the eyelids. Base color of light pink tiled heart-shaped diamond eyes. Then use a pink fiber pen. Draw the block cuts on the surface of the diamond. This should be the soul of painting diamonds. Then the dark levels gradually deepen the diamond's facets. Here are some more gem cutting style pictures. Summarize the rules of reflection and refraction of gemstones. I drew it here, just a summary version of the cutting effect. So we must summarize the rules. Only in this way can the performance be more quality. The darker the color, the more careful you have to be when writing. To maintain the toughness of the block surface. Then use the fiber pen to refine the eyelashes. Adjust and embellish the details. The last one is the sole point highlight. The texture of diamond glasses comes out instantly. I feel like the shade could use some more pink. Then add some fluorescent colors to the eyes for special effects. Fluorescent marker. Fluorescent gouache can be used. Then use a purple light. Let's take a look at the final result. Wow, is not it simple? Have you learned it?